Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I'm doing a video on how to boost your immune system and stay healthy. Firstly, I'm gonna start with the oranges. As you all know, the oranges are quite rich in vitamin C, but these oranges are special. These are the red blood oranges. They're very rare, but it's available nowadays. So आप किसी भी शॉप से जाके खरीद सकते हैं. पाकिस्तान में भी अवेलेबल हैं, यहाँ यूके में भी अवेलेबल हैं आजकल. And they are quite good, like an antioxidants properties, and for this reason they may lower your risk of heart disease and kidney stones. So do try these oranges to stay healthy and boost your immune system. Okay, so after oranges we are gonna take the watermelon. So watermelons are surprisingly healthy fruit. It has a high water content and also delivers many other important nutrients. These nutrients means the watermelon isn't only tasty and low calorie treat, but it's also very good for your health. So you can just try to eat watermelon. And now we are going towards summer. So pineapple is also really good, and it's also rich in vitamin C. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Bye.